Hi fam, welcome to this video. If you are looking for something that will grow your hair or your daughter's hair or whoever's hair, or you're looking for something that you can use for business, this video is for you. Today we are going to make a hair cream that can also act as a conditioner, and it will also serve as a moisturizer. First of all, we'll start by using a cup of shea butter. We'll add a cup of shea butter. I am trying to level it up so it is accurate. As the video progresses, I will tell you how you can modify the hair cream so that you can use it for commercial purposes if you want to invest in hair cream business. Now I'm just going to set my gas cooker in low heat, the lowest heat, and put my shea butter on it and allow it to melt. You could also use a pot for this. I kept the spoon in it so that the shea butter on the spoon will also melt. Now that it has melted, I'm going to put it aside and begin to add other ingredients gradually. First ingredient I added was Jamaican black castor oil, a quarter cup of Jamaican black castor oil. If you know Jamaican black castor oil, you know it's kind of slippery, so it gives it that moisturizing effect, and it also helps with hair growth. The next oil I'm adding is olive oil, a quarter cup of olive oil too, which is very good for low porosity hair. Next, I'm going to add my vitamin E. Vitamin E has also been known to have great effects on hair growth. I'm using a needle. While doing this, please be careful not to pierce your hand because the needle is very sharp. I'm used to doing this, and I had to also do it very carefully. You could puncture it several times so that it comes out faster. So I just made sure I did it very carefully not to pierce my hand. At this point, I would like to tell you to please subscribe to our channel if you've not already done so. Like and share this video. Support us to grow as we also are doing this freely. Thank you. And I know some persons might be thinking, why so many different oils? The thing is, sometimes some oils have different properties. Some oils can make your hair softer, while some can make your hair harder. So you have to balance it up. Some oils are used for low porosity hair, while some are for high porosity hair. So there's a way you mix them together and they come out well. Now we are going to add the tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil. We just need to add a few drops of the oil, and as such it lasts for quite some time. After adding the tea tree oil, we put it in the fridge for it to solidify just for some few minutes, not few minutes per se, let's say like 30 minutes to 1 hour. You leave it there. After it has solidified, we bring it out, and then we go ahead to add a special ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel also helps to increase the moisturizing and detangling effect of this cream. We are going to add 1 full cup of aloe vera gel, I am trying to measure it just exactly the way I measured the shea butter in the beginning, so that the measurement will be accurate. This is 100% unadulterated aloe vera gel gotten from the plant and stored directly in the container. I got it from Amazon. I'll try and see if I can get the link to put in the description. If you don't find it there, know that I found it difficult to add the link to my description, but I'll try to do that. Okay, now we are adding the aloe vera to the mixture. Don't forget to take note of the consistency of this mixture. It's not too thick, so that the aloe vera can easily mix up with it. Okay, after that, you go in with your mixer and mix it thoroughly for some minutes, let's say like 5 minutes. Mix it very thoroughly. Note that this is not the final thickness of this thing, because it's not completely cool. So at this point, if you want to add something to make it commercial, like I said in the beginning, you can add your methyl to make it hot on the scalp a little, just a little methyl. And you can also add a little color, depending on which color you like, to make it look better. Okay, but I do not sell for now. I make it for my daughter and I love it. Next, I get my designated containers, fill them with the cream, and then keep them in the fridge for some time. I leave them in the fridge until I think it is solid enough. I go to check over and over again. Sometimes I put it in the freezer if I am vigilant enough, so that it doesn't get too frozen. Maybe for just like 5 minutes only, and then I bring it out. Afterwards, I bring it out from the fridge, and then I'm going to show you the consistency, what it looks like after bringing it out from the fridge and after bringing it out from the freezer. The little container here shows how it looked after leaving it in the fridge for some minutes, not strong fully, and this is what the one from the freezer looks like. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. May you remain blessed. Thank you. Bye.